Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will create a post API using Node.js with Mongoose. Let's start code. I have opened my code editor. Here, I have index.js file. Next, open your terminal and install Express and Mongoose package. For Express, write npm install Express command and press enter. Next, for Mongoose, write npm mongoose command and press enter. In package.json file, you can see we successfully install Express and Mongoose packages. Next, create a config.js file for Spirit database connection. First, import Mongoose package. Next, create a connection with database. In connect method we can pass the path of our server. Here, I can use a local server, so I pass localhost path. Here, I want to connect to ecom database, which have one collection named products. And in this collection we can get the product name, price, brand, and also get a category of the product. In connect method we can pass mongob // localhost 27017/ecom. Ecom is the name of database which we want to connect. Next we create a new file with name products.js. In this file we create a schemas and model for products. First, we import Mongoose packages. Next, create a schema. In this schema, we enter which data we can get from the user and set its type, example, string, number, etc. In this product collection, we want to save the name of product, price, brand, and category of product. Next, exports the model module. Here you have a question why we export model module. Because model contains a schema, due to this reason we export model module. In model, we have two parameters, first contain collection name and second contain our schema. Next, open your index.js file. First, import Express package or module. Then, import config.js file where I build a connection with database. Next, import model module from products file. Then create an app. Next, mention your app running port. I choose 5000. Now, use a app.post method, and in first parameter we mention the root, and next create a callback function. Here, I select a root name create. In callback function we have two parameter requests and response. You can give any name to it. In this we can use res.send method, and in this method I put a demi text done. Next, open your terminal and run the index.js file. In terminal you can see I got an error. Here, you can see I forget s at the end of products.js file when I'm importing. Now, open your Postman. Click on plus sign. Select Post method. Here, you can enter URL of your app. I can write http // localhost 5000/create. Next, click on Send button. In bottom container you can see a output done. It's mean our root or post API work properly. Now, I send data through Postman. Click on body, next click on raw and select JSON format. Here, I write some data. Now, open index.js file and write a code for getting Postman data. I write console.log method, and in this method I write req body. This req body method get data from Postman. For this, first we need to convert the data in JSON form, so I can use appuse method, and in this I can write express JSON method. Now, open Postman and click on Send button. In bottom container you can see I get a output done. And you can also see in terminal I successfully get data which I send through Postman. Now, I send this data in database. Here, I can use a product model, and in this product model I pass reqBody method. Next, I use a save method. This save method return promise, so I need to make a function ISP for handling this promise. Open your Postman, and this given data we can save in the database. Click on Send button. In bottom container you can see a output done. Open database and refresh it, you can see the 4th record enter successfully in the database. Now, I enter one more record, so I change the name of the product price and its brand. Click on Send button. In database again I insert a data successfully. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.